Today, we're going to make these beautiful paper flowers. It's a fun and simple craft that helps practice gluing skills, and they make great decorations. Here's what you'll need: glue, construction or cardstock paper, scissors or fun paper cutters, a craft stick or popsicle stick, and if you're working with a young child, a small bowl and a paintbrush for easy glue dipping. Start by cutting out different shapes from your paper. You can make circles, ovals, hearts, any shape that could look like a flower petal. Now it's time to glue. If you're little, use a brush to paint glue on the back of your shapes. It helps control the mess. Glue your petals onto the top of the stick. Layer and overlap them to make your flower bloom. Once your flower looks just the way you want it, let it dry completely. Ta-da! You just made a paper flower. Great job using your gluing skills. What color flower will you make next?